Yes, ma'am. I understand. Your DNS settings must be outdated. Yeah, I will be sending you a quick patch. Yeah, it will secure your connection.
Guys, bakit parang iba yung itsura ng website ng bangko? Na-type ko naman tama yung banksecure.com ah. Parang 2005 pa yung design.
Check mo nga. Baka may banksecure.phishing.com yan. Yan kasi yung style nila minsan eh.
If I'm not mistaken, that is farming, right? Like kahit sinesearch mo yung tamang website, dinadala ka pa rin sa mga fake websites, diba?
Tama. They manipulate your DNS or your device. They essentially routed your traffic. Kaya kahit mukhang legit yung tinitignan mo, nakawan ka na pala ng impormasyon.
Farming is one of the most dangerous attacks. It doesn't rely on the user making a mistake. It hijacks the system itself. It's like a secret detour on your web browser's GPS.
Grabe, so kahit mag-ingat ka pala, pwede ka pa rin maloko.
Kaya importante ang antivirus at secure DNS. And always double-check the SSL lock symbol. If it's not there, close the tab immediately.
Bakit every time ino-open ko yung browser ko, laging may lumalabas na social media ads? Fake social media ads pa naman.
Ikaw baka mga secret hobbies mo yan, like dating sites. Finally letting loose
Uy, hindi I swear hindi ko yan gawain for sure.
That's a browser hijacker. Usually, it sneaks in with free software na may kasamang malware. Binabago niya yung homepage, yung search engine mo, at syempre, nagpapakita ng nakakainis na ads.
Is everything alright, guys?
No.
So, can you take a look? Ooh, I am seeing a spike network in your traffic from your machine. It is probably a simple browser extension gone wrong. Like, it is like bad weed in your garden.
Browser hijackers don't just annoy you. They redirect users, collect browsing data, and sometimes even install more malicious code without you knowing.
So parang yung ex mo, Hasmin. Ayaw malis sa buhay mo kahit ayaw mo na. At nagpapadala pa ng spam text.
Haha, very funny. But seriously, paano ko itong maaalis?
Uninstall mo yung suspicious extensions. Clear your browser data at mag-anti-malware scan ka. That's the first step to kicking it out.
Oh, alright.
There.
So, good morning team. So may email akong nakuha kanina. It is urgent from our partner bank asking for huge company transfer. So it says na it is confidential and need immediate action. So, legit ba to?
Sir, huwag mo muna i-open yan. Yun ang red flag. Baka whaling attack yan.
Huh? Whaling? I'm not a fish. I'm the CEO.
It means they're targeting big fish like you, executives. It is a specialized form of phishing but for boss level.
I see.
Whaling attacks aim for high-ranking officials. They use authority, urgency, and fear of a major crisis to trick even the smartest leaders.
So I have already sent out the emails to all of you. So please check them out and do tell me if you find any suspicious in those emails, okay?
Yes, sir. Sir, tingnan niyo po. Yung email address galing sa verify@securebank.biz.phl is fake po yan. Real bank domains end with .com, and why would they use biz.phl? Diba?
So close. Buti na lang attentive kayo. I was about to authorize 1 million pesos transfer. That would bring loss to our company. Great loss.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.
That is very terrible. Sir Philip, I'll make sure to check the email for any suspicious activity. Don't you worry. The ID guy, is here to save the day, as always.